what's up? It's Jessie. I'm here at the Wolfram Tech Conference 2018. If you weren't tuned in yesterday, I'm basically just talking with developers and other interesting people using Wolfram technology in really cool ways. And I'm sitting here with Abrita. Could you tell us a little bit about what you do here at Wolfram and also what you're doing here at the conference specifically?
Sure. I work with the Wolfram U team. So we are sort of the hub for everything to do with learning and training with the Wolfram technology. At the conference specifically, we hold a full day of pre-conference training. So we did that on Tuesday. We conducted 4 different courses. These were like 4-hour-long courses. And so I did the data science course. I was teaching that morning and evening. And then we were also doing courses like a crash course for scientists and engineers. And then we also did an image processing course on the same day.
In the data science course, can you just briefly describe sort of what the conference attendees went through and what they learned?
Sure. So as you know, we are promoting this multi-paradigm data science approach from Wolfram side, and this was the intention for the course to present the multi-paradigm workflow. So yes, the data science workflow is pretty much same, but we bring this something extra to the table in the multi-paradigm data science workflow, where we say that you have this incredible collection of tool set, like computational tools that you can use while you're going through the workflow. So for the training, this is what we tried to highlight. We presented a very simple workflow, question, wrangle, explore, analyze, and communicate. But at every stage, we showed that you can branch out. For wrangling, you can work with different kinds of data. And then for exploration, you can use all our built-in functions, access to our state-of-the-art algorithms. In the analyze phase, we can do similar things, like, not be restricted by the field you're working with or the specific kind of data, but leverage Wolfram's collection of algorithms to try out different things across the field. And then finally, we do a good job of visualizing things, sharing things on the web by cloud publishing stuff. So we showed how you could use that to finally communicate the results of your analysis. So this is the workflow that we went through in the course.
Nice, awesome. So Wolfram U, before we sort of get into what's new about it, can you tell me a little bit about what it is and what it aims to achieve?
Sure. So Wolfram U, as I said, is like our learning hub, and our idea is. Can I show you our website? Yeah.
Yeah, please.
So this is the Wolfram U website, and I think the thought process was that if you want to learn about data science, if you want to learn about mathematics, or just like basic coding, the idea is you come to Wolfram U and you should be able to find some videos, some MOOCs, like online learning courses. Then we also host a live webinar series, so you are able to join one of those and then learn about this topic that you're interested in. And the idea is you do not have to know the Wolfram language. We will teach you whatever it is that you want to learn, but we will be using the Wolfram language while doing it, because it's just so easy to do that.
Yeah. So how long has Wolfram U been around?
About a year.
Okay.
So we've been working. It's still we are trying to put in a lot of things in there. We have some very exciting plans coming up, new MOOCs coming up.
Well, Devendra talked about the calculus MOOC.
Right, that's our latest.
Yeah, what are the other MOOCs that are, I guess, in the
Right, so we started out with the MOOC version of Stephen's book, Elementary Introduction to the Wolfram Language. So we converted that into a MOOC, and so there were videos, there were notebooks, scratchpads, things you could work on, and then the calculus MOOC. The other thing that we have been also working on, we have the Wolfram Summer School every summer, which is like a really nice thing. And so we got all the lectures from what the students listen to, and then we converted those into a MOOC. So now you can go in, and I think I can show you here. Let's see. Maybe we'll go into Wolfram Language here. Okay, here and here you see this is the
Oh.
Wolfram Summer School. This is from 2017, and right now we are in the process of putting together 2018. So you can actually go into the course and you can look at all these lectures here that the students at 2017
Oh,
attended.
wow.
And it's very nice. Like
Yeah.
it starts out very basic, as it says, getting started with the Wolfram language. So walks you through the very basic concept, moves on to advanced topics, and then very specific application, image processing, or blockchain, things like that. Then of course machine learning. There's a
yeah.
good focus on machine learning, cloud development, and so on. So you can go and so we have the lecture notebooks, we have the lecture videos, and then we have like the scratch pad where you can try out things as you are looking at the videos and listening to the lecture.
Wow, that's really cool. That's like super interactive learning. I don't know if other platforms like do anything similar to this, but this is really nicely structured. Can you tell me a little bit about where the calculus MOOC? Does it have the same?
Yeah, let's take a look at that. And we are trying to build on our experience, feedback that we receive from some of our users, and also our own thing, like our own take on it. What is working, what is not working. So every successive move has something better in it. So we're trying to improve the stuff. So for now, for example, well, the EIWL was really nice. With the calculus, what we've also brought in is there's the lecture, of course the video, the lecture notebook here, and then we also have these problem sessions.
Oh, nice.
Where the instructor actually goes through some problems with the students, and then you also have the quiz. And so the student is able to actually take the quiz. Mm-hmm. And what we are hoping to get out is a sort of a certification program. So we ensure they've gone through the videos, they've learned the material, and then they take the quiz, and then they can they can submit an application for certification. And so if you've taken this course, you can be certified that you have taken the calculus course.
Mm-hmm. And so you'd be certified with like calculus knowledge with the Wolfram language?
Exactly.
Okay, nice. So I guess where do you see sort of this MOOC framework with Wolfram U going in the next couple of years?
All right, so we are definitely trying to standardize it, working very hard behind the scenes. There's an incredible team who is trying to make sure that with every new, there's no end to topics. There's always exciting new topics coming up, right? So that, and a lot of people already have these lectures sort of planned out. They have the notebooks, so we are trying to set up a framework so that we are able to take those lecture notebooks, basic Mathematica notebooks, and then quickly convert them into this MOOC framework online. But also we want to have like a list of, best practices. Like remember these things, have the quiz in there, have keep in mind that short sweet lectures are much better than like longer ones where people start wandering. So sort of a list of best practices that instructors could use, whether Wolfram folks or external instructors who have been teaching these wonderful Mathematica courses or Wolfram Language courses for a while. So we would love to hear from them if they have course ideas, and then hopefully we can see what we can do with those.
Awesome. Well, thanks for hanging out with me and talking with me about Wolfram U.
Thanks for talking to me.
Yeah, well, I mean, thanks for doing this. So later we'll be talking to some other people at Wolfram, so stick around for that.
That was a little bit...